Hey foodies, I hope you are well. Thanks again for clicking on today's video. I'm making puff puff, a very easy, quick recipe that you're going to enjoy and your friends will thank you for it. First, we need to activate our dry yeast. So I will be using 1.5 teaspoons and I will be going in with 1 tablespoon of sugar and 300 milliliters of warm water to activate the yeast. You need to mix this very well until it looks exactly like this and cover it up. I love using this cover because it's just straightforward and you can reuse it so many times. I'm going in now with 3 cups of self-raising flour, 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, a tablespoon of nutmeg, a little bit of salt, and I will add 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and mix everything well to combine. If you are new here, my name is Kai and I love sharing quick, easy, and very delicious recipes. Now it's time to check if the yeast has been activated properly, and from the foam on top of it you know that it's activated very well. And I'm going to add it to the flour, mix everything well, and what you need to do from here, still be using warm water but add it gradually so you can get the perfect consistency for the dough. So you can see like it's getting a little bit looser, and now I'm just going to beat it. You see, it's just like you are slapping the dough. This is just a tip. When you drop the dough, and it takes a little bit of time to drop, for me, I know that I need to add a little bit of water, which I did, to make it a little bit looser. And now I'm happy with the consistency. Beat the dough a little bit more, and after that it will be the perfect time to cover it up. First, I'm going to use my plastic cover, a kitchen towel, and then use a plate on top of it and let it rest for 1 hour. And after 1 hour, I'm checking it now. I'm just releasing the air and we will fry our puff puff. To hold it and catch the dough, that's just how you do it, okay? Perfect. So we're going to heat the oil now on a medium heat, 4 to 7 minutes, and then start frying our puff puff. If you are enjoying the recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and keep watching. And thanks so much to my returning subscribers. I hope you are all well. If you don't want to miss out on the new delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you activate the bell. They are looking really good and very easy to make. Make sure you fry one side. When you obtain this golden color, flip it and fry another 4 to 5 minutes, and then you're going to have the perfect puff puff with the right shape. We're going to repeat the same thing again with the second batch. So with the 3 cups of flour, I got in total 26 puff puff. So it depends again if you're going to have guests over or the number of people you want to make the puff puff for. This will help you. And this is our last one, and you can see how beautiful and very inviting they are. And I love sometimes the crunchy ones. So let me know if you do as well. And there you have it, our puff puff is so ready. And this is the crunchy ones. That right there is perfect for me. You can have this on its own, or you can just have it with porridge as breakfast or as a snack. You're going to love it. Let's try it. And you can see how perfect it looks on the inside as well. I've got one for you to enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye. Au revoir.